बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमने स्टार्ट करना है एक्सरसाइज 2A क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 एंड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 दे आर सेइंग दैट द सम ऑफ अ होल नंबर and twice the square of the number is 10. So let us suppose that let the whole number is equal to x. You can suppose any of the variable, it's your choice. Either you can use x or y or z, it's your choice. Okay, the sum of the whole number and the square twice the square means, first of all, you have to take the square of this number. Twice mean it's 2 times, and the sum with itself x is equal to 10. Find the number. Basically we have to find the whole number, so I have to shift this on one side. X square plus x minus 10 is equal to 0, and now this will be minus 20. Minus 20, that means you have to subtract 2x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 10 is equal to 0. From here it is 2, I can take only x common. 2x plus 5, from here I can take only 4, again 2 common. So from here x plus 5 is equal to 0. Either x sorry, it is 2x plus 5 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. From here I'll get minus 5 by 2, because they are saying that find the whole number. So this is not the whole number, so this is not suitable answer. So second, we will check the second one, x is equal to 2. So this is my answer, because we are searching for the whole number. Question number 7. If 4 times a whole number is subtracted, again there is a whole number. So first of all, you have to suppose that let the whole number is equal to x. Now if 4 times a whole number, 4 times mean 4x, is subtracted from, now the term that is after from, that will come first. From 3 times the square, 3 times mean 3x, 3 times the square of the number, 3 times, now not the complete number, square of the complete number, they are saying that square of the number, 3 times square of that number. So it will be 3x square minus 4x, because this term was after from, so we have to write it first. The number is, the result 15 is obtained, is equal to 15. Clear? So now I have to shift this on one side. Minus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. 3 15s are minus 45. So I have to make a factors of 45. 3x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. 3x x minus 3 plus 5 x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here it will be x minus 3 and 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So either x minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. On the other side it will become x is equal to minus 5 by 3. Again we are talking about the whole number, so this one is not suitable. This is my answer. Question number 8. Question number 8, they are saying that two consecutive positive number are such that the sum of their squares is 113. Find the two number. So let us suppose that first number is x, second number will be x plus 1. Consecutive means the number will be come after. There is no gap between these two numbers. So first number is x, second number will be x plus 1, and they are saying that sum of their squares. So square mean this square, and because this is a complete one, so I have to write in bracket. Now I will open x square plus from here I will apply the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, that means 1 square. X and x square will be equal to 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 113 is equal to 0. It will become 2x square plus 2x minus 112 is equal to 0. Can I take 2 common from here? it will become 2x square plus x minus 56 is equal to 0. Now I have to make the factors of 56 minus 56. I know that x square plus 8x plus minus 7x minus 56 is equal to 0. X plus x, can I take common x? So from here x plus 8 minus 7, I can take common x plus 8 is equal to 0. And from here I'll get x plus 8, and on the other side I will get x minus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 8 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 8. In the question they told us they are positive numbers, so that means this was is not suitable. From here it is x is equal to 7, so I will choose this number. I'll get one number. I have to take find out the second number as well. So second number will be equal to x plus 1, that is 7 plus 1, and the answer is 8. Question number 9. They are saying that the difference between two positive number is 7 and square of their sum is 289. Find the number. So now there is a difference, so that means I have to choose two different variables. So let the first number is x and second number will be y. And they are saying that the difference between, so that means x minus y is equal to 7 and their square. Second, on the other side it will become x square plus y square is equal to sum of their square is 2, sum of their square, sorry, not x square plus y square, sum of their square, x plus y whole square is equal to 289. If they were saying that squares and then their sums, so then we can write this one. Now this one is not correct. X plus y whole square is equal to 289. If I will take square root on both sides, so it will become x plus y is equal to square root of 289 is 17. So I have two equations, x plus y is equal to 1, and from here it is x plus y is equal to minus. So can I add equation 1 and 2? So I will get x minus y is equal to 7 and x plus y is equal to 17. Cancel. 2x will be equal to 24, x is equal to 12. I can put this value of x in any of the equation and I'll get the answer. If I'm putting in equation 1, so I will get 12 minus 5, y is equal to 7. Minus y is equal to 7 minus 12, minus y is equal to minus 5, so y will be equal to 5. So these are the two numbers that you can see that from the question as well. Their difference is 5 and sum of their square is 289. So you can counter check your answer from the question. Okay, the difference between two number is 9 and the product of the number is 162. So let us suppose the first number is x, second number is y. So the difference between two number is will be equal to x minus y is equal to 9, and second condition they are saying that the product mean multiplication. So that mean xy is equal to 162. I will use elimination method. Can I take the value of x from here? It will become 9 plus y. I will put this in equation number 1. So it will become 9 plus y into y is equal to 162. And when I will simplify, I will get 9y plus y square minus 162 is equal to 0. I can rearrange y square plus 9y minus 162 is equal to 0. Okay, from here the factors are y square plus 18y minus 9 y minus 162 is equal to 0. So y plus 18 minus 9, can I take common from here? It will be y minus 18 is equal to 0. So it will be y plus 18, and on the other side it is y minus 9 is equal to 0. So either y plus 18 is equal to 0 or y minus 9 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 18 and y is equal to 9. Now one by one, when I will put the value of y in my equation star, so I will get the answer of x. If I am putting minus 18, so x will be equal to 9 minus 18. It will be minus 9. So one pair will be minus 9 and minus 18. This is your answer. Second, when you will put y is equal to plus 9, so the value of x will be equal to 9 plus 9. X is equal to 18. So the second pair, the value of 18 and 9. So these are my two answers, because they didn't said any specification that they are positive or negative, so we can take both of the values. Hope so it's clear. Till my next video. Allah Hafiz.